Hi, I'm Dr. William Hummer. I'm a general dentist here in San Leandro, California, and I practice here with Dr. Swoboda, Dr. Gallegos, and Dr. McCready. We welcome you to our office. Our practice is focused on general dentistry. We treat all areas of general dentistry, including pain relief, comfort, emergency treatment, in addition to fillings and crowns and things that you would see in other offices. We also offer Invisalign, bleaching, drill-free dentistry with microabrasion, and many of the areas of good health for gum care. We've had good customer satisfaction for 34 years of practice here. We believe in taking good care of each patient and giving them the dentistry that they want, or if they were a dentist, what they would choose for themselves. It's always your control, your body, your teeth, and your choice. We try to listen to the patient very well. Half of all the fillings that we do are done without anesthetic, without pain, very conservatively. Being more conscientious about not removing too much tooth can be more comfortable and more healthy. Quality of care depends on comfort, the quality of the materials you use, and the patient experience. I try to call each patient that has a significant procedure done in the evening and find out what worked for them and what didn't. That feedback has given me a tremendous benefit to patients of knowing what's comfortable and what works for them. I'd like to invite you to become part of our practice. Myself, Dr. Swoboda, Dr. McCready, and Dr. Gallegos are all at your service to take good care of your dental needs. We look forward to meeting you.